Can this tiny box replace your full desktop? Meet the GMKtec Nuckbox K11, a mini PC that looks small but packs a serious punch. AMD Ryzen 9 8945HS, 8 cores, 16 threads, up to 5.2 GHz. 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, blazing fast multitasking, 1 TB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, speed meets space. Perfect for video editing, streaming, game development, powerful home setups. Supports 4K triple display USB 4 HDMI 2.1 DisplayPort 2.1. Ultra-compact design with smart cooling. Quiet performance even under heavy load. RGB lighting for a clean, modern aesthetic. No dedicated GPU, so it's not ideal for AAA gaming. But paired with the right monitor and setup, it's a beast for creative and technical work. Is it worth it? If you need raw CPU power, fast RAM, and speed in a small form, this is one of the best mini PCs in its class. Quiet, fast, upgradable, under $800. Check the full specs and current price in the link at the description. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews. No fluff, just performance.